This 2025 Grand Design Transcend One 151RB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey 08215 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 19 feet 8 inches in length and features a Luna interior, sleeps 4, LP detector, smoke detector, skylight, carbon monoxide detector, oven, stovetop burner, spare tire kit, refrigerator, microwave, air conditioning, and 37 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Grand Design Transcend 1151RB is 3,660 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.